Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday I'd like to share a recipe. Lately I've been doing I've been doing keto recipes. Um, that, yeah, and anybody who follows my recipes online know that I like to share very easy recipes. And this recipe, if it got any easier, someone would be shoving it down your face. But, yeah, that's what I love about slow cookers. It's just you put everything together and you're done for until it's done cooking. Let me go ahead and show you what's all in it. All right, we're gonna start off with roast. See, a little over 2 pound roast. A packet of au jus seasoning. A packet of ranch dipping mix. A stick of butter and about 5 pepperoncinis. Pepperoncini peppers. First thing I'm going to do. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the roast here and put it in the slow cooker. And then I'm going to take the packets there and put it in this bowl. Okay, I got the seasoning packets in there, and I'm going to just mix those up a bit. And then just dump it on top of the meat here. Just kind of get that covering the meat there. Then I'm going to set the stick of butter on top. And then put the 5 pepperoncinis on the top of that. Set the 5 pepperoncinis on the top of the roast here. Come here. Let's go with 6. And then I'll turn that to low. Set it to low, set that on there, and then I'll put the timer for 8 hours. Let that set for 8 hours, and I'll come back to it. And I'm going to go to work because I think I'm running late. So I'll come back to that in 8 hours. Okay, there's what it looks like after sitting there for 8 hours in the low. Let me get it out onto a plate here. Yeah, there's the final product of the steak roast there. I would like to try to cut it up in slices. A lot of pictures I've seen online, they all have the meat all shredded up and cut up. But when I do roast in the slow cooker, it kind of goes both ways, whether it'll actually slice up or not. I'd prefer it sliced, just because it seems less hassle to eat. Not sure what I'll have with it. Usually when I have a roast like this, I'll make up some macaroni and cheese to go with, but that's not keto. I do have some bag salads in the refrigerator. I told myself I was going to get some veggies, but I keep forgetting to pick those up. But yeah, that's a Mississippi roast. A very easy roast to make. I don't know if I'll use the peppers too often if I make this. I'm not crazy about spicy food. Nothing against it. I just prefer more flavor than spice when I cook food. But well, I've never had this, so I don't know if it's very spicy. I never had pepperoncinis. I don't know how to pronounce those. I don't think I pronounced those right. Anyway, but yeah, it's Mississippi roast. A very, very easy recipe. Just put everything in the slow cooker and let it sit for 8 hours. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and cut off there. And thanks for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe. Check out Patreon and all that good stuff. And have a nice day.